Good morning. All right, so what are we looking at today? Today we're opening inside Friday's range, inside value. So I'm looking to see how we treat the range from Friday. So above Friday's value, above Friday's high, then looking for this low volume area to be tested at the 60.50. We have a bullish imbalance from Friday targeting 60.43, so I'm looking at that area for sellers to show up and bring price down. But if we are not able to come out of that range and break above it, then I'm gonna wait to see what happens if we take the overnight low and then break yesterday's low and then finally retest this point of control from Thursday, which was left untested. Look how every time we tried to get inside Thursday value, we failed. That's where May's high is also. So I'm looking, if we break those lows for a value area sweep into that 59.60 area, which is support right now. There's a very low volume node here, and from there I'm looking for a bounce. Now if we don't bounce there, we don't bounce at the 59.60, then I'm looking for a move back into the 59.20. So those are the key areas that I'm watching. For NQ, we're slightly below. We're not as close at the highs like ES is, and look how Friday session broke Thursday's high, but Friday session didn't break Thursday's high on NQ. So NQ is a little weaker right now. And if we move below the overnight low, which already broke Friday's low, if we move below that, I'm looking for value area low from Thursday, which is at 21,664. 21,664, and then from there, probably looking for a bounce. But if we don't get a bounce, then a retest of this two spikes that we have here, and then I move down into the previous range. Crude is holding the break, broke above this area, so it's holding that break. It hit that first target that I mentioned the other day, and if it keeps holding, then I'm looking for the 66 area and then eventually 67.60. Gold, after testing our resistance area, came back to the bottom of the range, broke this below this low volume node, so now it's retesting this area that I mentioned the other day. Seems to be holding right now, but watch the 3300 as support and 3440 as resistance. So I'm trading this range right now. If we break that 3300, then a retest of the 50 moving average, which is at 3270. And that's about it. Today we have some economic data at 10 a.m. We have wholesale inventories, and then we have some auctions at 11:30. Trump is speaking at 2 p.m. Then later on this week we have CPI, and then core PPI and jobless, which is probably what this market is waiting for. All right, that's about it for today. Good luck.